Scene 1. Bedroom morning alarm ringing loudly. Zoia. Oh no, I overslept. Zoia. Today is my presentation day. Scene 2. Getting ready. Zoia runs around the room looking for her notebook. Zoia. Where's my notebook? Zoia. Why does this always happen to me? Scene 3. Kitchen mom. Calm down and eat breakfast first. Zoia. Mom, I'm already running late. Scene 4. Outside Zoia runs toward the bus. Zoia. Wait for me. The bus leaves. Zoia. Great, just great. Scene 5. Phone message, phone notification sound. Best friend, Juanita. Don't panic, you've got this. Zoia. Okay, maybe today won't be that bad. Scene 6. Classroom. Zoia enters the classroom nervously. Teacher. You're late again. Zoia. I'm really sorry, ma'am. Teacher. All right, start your presentation. Scene 7. Presentation, Zoia. Good morning, everyone. Zoia. Today, I'll talk about social media in student life. Students look interested. Student. Wow, she's actually good. Scene 8. Funny moment projector suddenly stops working. Zoia. I think the laptop needs emotional support. Class laughs. Teacher, that was actually funny. Scene 9. Confidence. Zoia. I can do this. Zoia. Let's continue. Scene 10. After presentation, class claps. Teacher. Excellent work, Zoia. Zoia. Really? Teacher. Yes, that was one of the best presentations today. Scene 11. Hallway. Best friend, Juanita. See, I told you. You've got this. Zoia. Okay, you were right. Scene 12. Cafe ending, both friends eating fries. Best friend, Juanita. So, what did we learn today? Zoia. Never trust 5-minute alarms. Zoia. And confidence changes everything. Both laugh. Scene 13. Ending, Zoia. Have you ever had a bad day that became good later? Zoia. Comment below. Zoia. And subscribe for more English stories. Zoia. Bye, everyone.